Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Bac My An neighborhood here in Da Nang. We are very close to the beach, but this is a little bit to the main road here. And we're gonna walk towards the Bac My An market and check it out. Lots has changed here as well. Very interesting neighborhood. Lots of expats living here already since many years. Yeah, we will see. This was always a little market. Now they removed it. It's usually the sign for owner change in land. So maybe someone bought it or will buy it and will build up. That could also be the case, right? We have a hotel here, the Me Hotel or My Hotel. Huh. Interesting. What is this here? Is this a villa? Yeah. We have some fresh juices here. And then I think somewhere here there has to be a co-working space, if I'm not wrong. Maybe also some coffee shops. That looks stylish, Marcus.
Could it be this one?
What? This is new. I don't even know what it is. It is something. Maybe someone can explain.
You know what?
What?
I think it's a creative space because you can paint and picture. You see these photos there? You can paint there, I guess.
Okay.
And do this handwork stuff, handcrafting.
Maybe it's also for, you know, the small kids who meet and then build something? Maybe this is this.
Oh, team building.
Pfadfinder.
Ah, okay. What is that in English? Boy Scouts.
Boy Scouts, yeah. Maybe that's the thing. Oh, there's a new Winmart. I guess it's new. Not sure. We have a Milano coffee here. I have to try out Milano coffee. A lot of people told me that Milano coffee is good. There's also Bac My and you, not your ordinary Bac My. Okay, interesting. Marcus, they claim something. I'm wondering now. This is not your ordinary Bac My.
Okay. What is it then?
This is a huge question. We will see. Maybe they're coming out. It's a brunch and bistro bar. Hello.
Hey Sammy.
Hi.
Marcus.
Oh, hello. Hey, nice
I'm
to meet you.
Andreas.
Who are Andreas?
I'm from Sweden.
Oh,
Göteborg.
hey.
Göteborg.
Göteborg.
Yes.
Oh,
I see your
nice.
channel in YouTube.
Oh, so we just walked by and we're like, what is this? Not your ordinary Bac My. So
see.
now you
So
can
it's
explain
a-
it to me
it's a fusion-
on camera.
Oh, hello. Yeah, it's a fusion banh mi. So we mix European ingredients with the Vietnamese bread.
Wow.
And we also have brunch, breakfast.
This is
and
amazing.
bacon.
Can I have a look?
Sure, come in. Have a
Awesome.
look. Welcome.
Oh, this is amazing. Was not planned, guys. Awesome. Actually, we gotta try it out. Not now, but we have to try it.
We have another branch in Phuket.
Really?
So we came here last year,
Okay.
and my business partner is still in Phuket.
Okay.
So I just came back from there, so I do 6 months over there.
Cool. Then welcome to Da Nang, man.
Well, he's already here for a year.
Oh my God. That looks like a little bit Swedish, yeah?
Yeah, it is like
Matches? What is it in English?
No, fisk.
Fisk.
Is
Fisk,
the Swedish word.
So you're having a stroll in this area today?
Yes. We're making a video for the German channel, but I'm making a walking tour
Oh, cool.
right now. Yeah.
Yeah, see you.
All right, guys, let's continue to the Bac My An market. We're definitely gonna come back here to Bac My and you and try it out. They have unconvinced, what is the word? Unusual Bac Mis, yeah? And I'm excited. I really want to try it out. So this is also a very interesting area here. Here on the right side, there's going to be a Ban Kun place that I also really like. What is this? Is a co-working space, I think. Looks like it.
I think there was a...
Co-working space.
Yeah. Okay, interesting.
But now it's a coffee shop, I guess. Maybe it's still. Also, we heard from the owner. It's like a lot of Russians live here, and that's why they have our own Russian menu. It's also what Jody told me. My brother said yesterday he feels like he's in Phuket. That's let that sink in, guys. It feels, and here, there was this other co-working space, I think, and now it's, no, it was not here. It was somewhere else, right?
I don't remember.
Maybe it was there. We're not that often here, guys. Barbecue Bray Pit. Oh, this is where they moved. They moved from the Antung area to Bray here. Oh.
What is it?
This is a South African smoke shop.
This is the one spot where Roman always recommended.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's also in our guide.
Okay.
But I think you've never been there, right? They have. Hello, grüß Gott. Yeah, Germans are everywhere. Yeah.
So next to Russians.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, little.
Oh, look at this little wiener. Hello, wiener. And we have some villas here. But Marcus, I think, there, it is still there. The Ace co-working space. No, Echo it's called now. Marcus and I, our first video on our German channel was about co-working spaces. Can you imagine?
Because everybody needs co-working space.
What a stupid video that was. Oh my God. But it's good to have embarrassing moments online.
Yeah. It's just the proof of development.
Yeah. This is the Ace co-working space. That looked nice. We checked it out. We also have a coffee. Maybe it's only cafe now. No, there's still co-working space.
They say Ace co-working.
Yeah. Because I feel like they moved. They also have these brunch spots, brunch things here. Brunch restaurants are very, very good working here, I tell you. I'm wondering if the Swedish guy is also cooking, because he said he's the chef.
Yes.
So he's the owner and chef.
Yes.
So I'm actually excited. I really want to have the fish banh mi, like the typical. There's a cake in Sweden.
Yeah.
If he can somehow replicate that, that would be awesome. There's a cake. It looks like a cake, but it is basically just mayonnaise and shrimps and other things and bread, and it's like it tastes so good. And no, what was it called again? I forgot the name. Please comment below, my Swedish viewers here. Please comment below what this cake called again. But it was fantastic. It was usually when you have birthday, then people don't have a sweet cake. They have
it's the next co-working space, or what is it?
right next to the. This is the Ban Kun place.
Yeah, but there's a
very good Ban
community
Kun.
lounge.
Community lounge.
But
Okay.
you can't look in.
It looks sketchy.
Yeah.
Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's a
also
strip club.
still community, you know? Social work.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's also lots of construction going on here too, at the Bac My An market. So this is the Bac My An market here, guys. So there are several entrances everywhere here. And you can eat there, it's very good food. Yeah, it's still not, if you have a light stomach, maybe not walk everywhere here. Because sometimes you have the smells of the meat and then the live chicken and things like that. Maybe if you're vegan, don't come here. Maybe stay in the vegetable areas.
But I wanted to say here's all the fresh vegetables. And
Also,
fruits.
yeah.
So for vegan is the best place.
Yeah. I mean, for vegetables, I would always come here and buy your stuff here. Yeah, you see the chicken here in the cages. I mean, it's not nice to see, but it's just reality, right? So if you are light stomach with that, maybe don't come here in this area. Go to the left.
But also this is the famous place.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, very nice. Tajikis? No, I don't know. I cannot read Russian. But yeah, it looks very clean. Oh my God, Marcus, the pavement police was here.
Really?
Because they are not on the road anymore. So they actually have their stands on the. This is totally different than I was there before. They probably said, hey, you gotta free the space here so people can drive around.
Passway.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't remember how it looks.
Like it was, everything was here in the middle, and you had just a little bit of tiny space to walk. All right. Right, guys, we just walked here, and it looks very, cleaned up the streets. Like it feels like you can walk and drive here now. It is very weird to see so much space here. Whenever you come to Da Nang or Southeast Asia in general, eat jackfruit, guys. Jackfruit is so healthy and so delicious. And I don't know if I ever seen jackfruit in Germany, for example. I don't know. I'm not a big fruit guy, but I've never seen or knew about jackfruit before. It's just not something in my mind, but it's super delicious and I absolutely love it. I love jackfruits. Let's see how much the coconut costs. Inflation, Marcus.
Again?
This is huge inflation. We have 17k for coconuts. That sounds very cheap and very affordable, but it is still a crazy inflation because I always monitor it. Whenever I walk by, I usually get one. They make it nice and cold, but one coconut was always here 12,000, then 13,000, and now it's 17,000.
Well, that's an increase of 5,000.
If you think about the percentage-wise, then it's a huge percentage increase, right? So now, we're still paying the same prices for coconuts in the Antung area, but the prices went up. So
It's almost 50%. I would say 46.
Yeah.
Something around 46%.
yeah,
Increase.
and there we
Over
go.
The last 3 years.
Yeah, that's true. 3 years. And there we have it. Banh mi hair kueh. Beautiful pork belly banh mi. This is absolute, yeah, it's amazing. I love it. And the price is still the same. 20,000 dong, guys. Love it. But they also had to move their stand a little bit to the back. So they have a space for, I think the pavement police was here too. The pavement police was here already. They have a coconut ice cream. It's another fruit shop. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.